Hey guys, crypto episode 54. Another down week, 10,000 down this week. Not huge amount has happened during the week. Sort of slightly up from Sunday's video and then sort of dropped down during the week to 176. Back up to 183. But I've seen this a lot of times before over the years where price is sort of down in the doldrums and a lot of the news is good. And I think that's going on at the moment, really. One of the sort of good bits of news, or what I thought was good bits of news, is the rise of US mining. So before the Chinese crackdown, China were down to sort of about 50% of mining and the US up to 17%. And then obviously you've had the big shutdown in a lot of the Chinese miners. So it's a bit of sort of speculation as to how much US will be up to, but could be sort of 25, maybe 30% even. And, you know, China down to sort of say 30. Canada do a lot, and then sort of some in South America, some in Europe. So just makes the network a hell of a lot more decentralized, not sort of controlled by China completely. So sort of a while ago in September 2019, China were at 75% of mining. So people sort of saw that as, potential for an attack, saw it as a downside of Bitcoin. So yeah, this decentralization of the mining is pretty good, and the sort of cynic in me wonders whether this was partly planned, US wanting to sort of take control of it, be one of the biggest miners. But yeah, interesting. And Jack Dorsey launching a decentralized finance platform on top of Bitcoin, though. So pretty much all of the decentralized finance, lending and borrowing, staking, and that sort of thing is mostly done on top of Ethereum. So interesting to see a potential project sort of put onto Bitcoin. So yeah, we'll see what he does. He's certainly sort of increased the adoption with Square. Yeah, good news. See what he does with it. So just looking at the coins this week, fairly sort of across the board drop. Bitcoin 5%, and most of the altcoins sort of done about sort of near enough double that. Ethereum not quite so bad, 6.2%, but some of the larger coins, Cardano, 10.3% down. Litecoin 9%. So it's mostly sort of a bit more than Bitcoin. OMG nearly 10%. Stellar not doing too bad actually, just under 3% down. EOS 4, about the same as Bitcoin. Tron 8% down, not too bad. Basic attention token 1.5%, so that's not too bad. Dash just under 5. Power Ledger taking quite a drop, 15%, but it's been sort of up and down the last few weeks really. Cocos actually had a move, 28% up. Not seen the news on this, whether there is any sort of coin specific news. I expect there is, but it's very small market cap, less than £20 million, so it doesn't take a lot to move it really. Anchor down 10%, Quantstamp 12%, and then Band Protocols had quite a bad week. Again, not seeing anything sort of specific to them, but yeah, 23% down. And New Cipher down 12.5%. So yeah, they're sort of fairly broad. No, Cocos hadn't gone 100% down. It still does that every time. But yeah, interesting. still looking forward to the next couple of months and see where we go from there. So leave your thoughts in comments below and like and subscribe. See you soon.